Hey everyone! So festival season is in full force and we're gonna do a Coachella-inspired look today. So when I think of Coachella, I think sun-kissed, glowy, so I think that's the kind of vibe we're gonna go for. So I'm gonna go in and spot conceal real quick. That's where my blemishes are. Some redness, because we wanna look flawless out in the desert. Blend that in with the wet Beautyblender. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm gonna go for more of like a fluffy, natural look. Fluff these up. I love this brow pencil, you guys need to get this. Next, I'm gonna do my contour. I'm doing this first just because I wanna put the foundation over top just to blend it all together. So I'm gonna go in with my Dior Backstage foundation and I'm gonna mix it in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. So what I'm gonna do is mix this together on my hand first, and then I don't wanna cover up the contour so much because you don't wanna fully cover it up, you kinda just wanna blend it out. So it kinda just makes sure it's just the leftovers gets on top of it. So again, dabbing, and I'm gonna put in my forehead first before, so it doesn't cover up too much of the contour, and just the excess kind of blends the rest of that out. Looking good. So I'm doing some peachy cream blush just because I feel like it gives more of a sun-kissed look, and that's the kind of vibe. Like, it's Palm Springs, you're in the desert, you're giving sweaty, glowy, hot, sexy. You know what I mean? So we'll just blend this on top just so it kind of gives that natural sun-kissed look. All right, now that that's blended, I'm gonna put on some setting powder. The Mercier setting powder is 10 out of 10, so we're gonna go do that. Your nose, you wanna look snatched. The jaw, I'm gonna take it in a downward motion to kind of go with the contour of the jawline. So I personally always start with bronzer for my nude like base of my eyeshadow. I think it gives a really pretty natural look just to start with. So I just take, I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Private Island, and I'm just kind of swiping this on the outside of my eyelids. It kind of gives this lifted cat eye effect, but like naturally. And I'm gonna be going in and using this bronzer also to bronze the rest of my face after I'm setting it. Next, I'm gonna go in with some concealer to do a cut crease. Just kind of fill that in with the concealer. Now that that's set, we're actually gonna use highlighter on my eyelids. So I'm gonna go in and kind of just dab this on. I'm gonna take off this bake real quick. See, look how snatched that looks. So next I'm gonna go in with some dark shadow to do a winged shadow liner for my outer corners. You can just take a brown or black, whichever you prefer. I truly prefer brown. I'm just gonna kind of just wing that out. All right, now that that's done, we're gonna take a concealer, put it on a small brush, and just clean up the edges. So, maybe just blend that out. And there we go. So we have some little gemstones that we're gonna put right on the corner, just for a little glow. I'm loving this look so far. I hope you guys are too. So I'm going to set my face and let that dry, because then I'm gonna do powders on top and then set it again. So again, we're gonna go in with that Fenty Beauty bronzer. And you're gonna bring it down on your neck bit. It kind of just gives you that tan glow. On the nose. Next, I'm gonna do the Dior Rogue Blush. Also a very peachy tone. I just love this color so much, it's gorgeous. Again, that beautiful sun-kissed look. Some on the nose, of course. I love this blush, it's amazing. We're gonna take that same highlight and put that on our cheekbones. Very, very glittery, glowy look. And the tips of our noses. I like this brush because you can literally just use the tips to be very precise. Some on the eyebrows. You can even put some on the collarbones. Shimmery and beautiful. All right, let's curl the lashes. We're gonna go in with some Dior mascara. So we're gonna go in with Dior lip liner. And then you can use whatever kind of like lighter nude in the middle to just blend that all out. And just set one more time. And this is the final look. If you guys want to recreate this look, you can get these products on ecosmetics.com. Have so much fun in the desert. You're gonna look like glowing goddesses. Thanks for watching.